All of you. Hanji beta ji, good afternoon everybody. Today we will discuss about detail digestive system and the digestion of food take place inside the body. This is the diagram of the digestive system. Is it clear? This is the diagram of digestive system. In generally, I am giving a summarized view. Here mouth, in the mouth, this is the buccal cavity. Here is the buccal cavity. Firstly, I had described with the diagram. This is the buccal cavity. Food is ingested through mouth. Food is ingested through mouth, and here is three pair of salivary glands are present. Here, three pair of salivary gland is present which digest the food carbohydrate. In which food carbohydrate is present, which is digested by the salivary amylase, and in this only 30% of carbohydrate is digested into maltose. 30% of carbohydrate is digested into the maltose. Is it clear? Now after that, food is come to the esophagus. This is the esophagus. Here no enzymes are present. Here no enzymes are present, and it is also, who is this? जो आपकी food pipe है, esophagus, which is starting from mouth to the stomach, connect mouth to stomach. That type of food pipe is known as the esophagus. It is known as the esophagus, which has no enzyme, and there is a no secretion of enzyme. It's mean here no digestion of food take place. Only the food movement occur here. Contraction, relaxation, contraction, relaxation. There is a contraction, relaxation movement only. Is it clear? And this movement is known as the peristaltic movement. After that, food is moved into the stomach. After that, food move into the stomach. Stomach has a gastric juice which is secreted inside the stomach. Stomach produce gastric juice which contain three main parts. That is HCl, mucus, and pepsinogen. HCl, I had already told you in yesterday lecture. HCl activate the pepsinogen into pepsin, which digests the protein. HCl kills the germ which we eat with our food. And next is pepsinogen. Pepsinogen is converted in the presence of HCl into pepsin, who digests the protein. Next is mucus. Mucus is prevented by the mucus is prevent stomach wall with the mucus is protect stomach wall for the action of HCl. HCl is very concentrated and pH is 1.8 here. Next is food move into the small intestine. Food is moved into the small intestine. Before this, liver is synthesized bile juice. Liver synthesize bile juice which is stored into the gallbladder. Secretion कहाँ से होगी? Liver से. Store कहाँ पे होगा? Gallbladder में. Is it clear? Bile juice carry no digestive enzyme. Only it break large fat pieces into smaller smaller pieces of fat or smaller pieces of fragments of fat. Is it function kya hai? Only emulsification. Is it clear? This secretion is also discharges into the small intestine. After that, pancreas. Here leaf like structure is present, that is known as the pancreas. This is liver. Pancreas is secreted pancreatic juice. Pancreas is secreting pancreatic juice which is discharged into the small intestine. And pancreatic juice contain lipase एंजाइम है, जिसके भी पीछे एंड में एज लगा होगा ना बेटा जी, दैट इज एंजाइम. लाइपेज हु डाइजेस्ट द लिपिड. न्यूक्लियस हु डाइजेस्ट द न्यूक्लिक एसिड, डीएनए, आरएनए एक्सेट्रा. एंड प्रोटीनेज हु डाइजेस्ट द प्रोटीन्स. एंड द some amount of salivary amylase is also present which digests the carbohydrate completely. Almost complete digestion take place in the जो लेफ्टेड डाइजेशन होती है ना अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड की, दैट इज टेक प्लेस इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, that is take place in the small intestine. In the large intestine there is a no food digestion take place. In the large intestine there is no digestion take place. The food is reaches to small intestine, wall of small intestine. Here wall of the small intestine produce the digestive juice, and the wall of the small intestine have the villi like structure also. They increase the surface area, and the large intestine carry loads of villus like structure which help in the absorption of food. Only digested food is absorbed in the large intestine. As the name small intestine and the large intestine, it is opposite. Small intestine is in large size and the large intestine is in small size. Is it clear everybody? Small intestine in large size and the large intestine is in small size, but it is broad. Large intestine width is greater as compared to small intestine. Here clear everybody? Clear? Now I am telling you how to draw the structure of the digestive system in simple manner. Which student make this type of diagram very good, because we have to know about the each and every part of the digestive system. Who is this? Is it clear? Main motive is to explain each and every part of the digestive system and to explain each and every system clearly. हाँ जी, वेट बेटा, मैं आपको ड्रॉ करके दिखाती हूँ हाउ टू ड्रॉ. It is firstly draw a swan-like structure. Draw a swan-like structure like this. Is it clear? You have to draw neat diagram. Clear? It is a very simple type of diagram. You have to prepare like that. Only we have to explain each and every part of the digestive system to the examiner. Clear? Here is pancreas. Here is your liver. This is gallbladder. Is it clear, everybody? Here is your buccal gut. It is connected to the mouth. 3 pair of salivary amylase is present here. Is it clear? Which digests the carbohydrate of the food and convert into the maltose. It is salivary amylase. Next is esophagus. Clear? This is stomach. This is your stomach. After that, this is here liver. This is gallbladder. Pancreas. Large intestine. Small intestine. anus, and here is rectum. Clear everybody? This is the diagram of the digestive system. Main motive is to draw the diagram. You have to draw neat and label diagram. Can you see all? This is very neat and clear diagram. You labeled the diagram very clearly. You have labeling is the most important thing, and the labeling of the diagram is always in the right hand side. Is it clear? What the teacher want to you from your diagram? You have to know each and every part of the diagram clearly, which is explained by the teacher. Here, main motive to give the diagram, to draw the diagram, is to express the each and every system and each and every organ of the digestive system. It is not a art type of paper to draw like a beautiful and scenery type diagram. Here, our main motive is to explain each and every part of the diagram. You know or you not know about this. It is clear, beta? Clear? This is the diagram of your digestive system. Clear, beta ji? Nucleic acid, etc. Because your pancreatic juice contain protein, lipids, as well as nuclease enzyme, which digest the food, proteins, lipids, nucleic acid, as usual DNA or RNA. Is it clear? So complete digestion take place in the intestine. Right, beta ji? Here, clear everybody? Right? The food reaches to the small intestine. Wall of the intestine also produce, and the wall of the intestine also produce the intestinal juice, which is produce the intestinal juice. Then the final step of final step of digestion complete in the small intestine. Final step of digestion complete in the intestine. What happened into the buccal cavity? What happened into the buccal cavity? Only salivary amylase take action in the buccal cavity. In the small intestine, complete digestion of food take place. After that, the absorption of food is taken place in the large intestine. Only large intestine play role absorption of food as well as water, and excrete undigested food outside the body. Is it clear, everybody? Clear, beta ji? Clear, beta? Next is here one thing more, beta ji. See diagram on your screen carefully. See diagram on your screen carefully. Be concentrate. When food is ingested into the mouth, here first diagram. See carefully, beta. When food is ingested into the mouth, here two pipes are present. One is esophagus and second is windpipe. Second is windpipe. Is it clear? Hanji, who is Preet Rana? Then one is food pipe and second is windpipe. When we ingested the food, then food pipe is open. Yani food pipe is also covered with the glottis, which is open, and another flap-like structure is present on the windpipe. Another flap-like structure is present on the windpipe, which up, down. When we eat the food, this flap is completely cover the windpipe. Because why it cover the windpipe? Because food is not moved to the windpipe. Sometimes you have to notice that when you eat the food and you talk with someone, then food is suddenly moved to the windpipe, and you are feeling very suffocated and breathing problems like that, because food particle is block your windpipe, due to which we suddenly sneezing like feeling and some type of suffocation like feeling. You have noticed now, because this time epiglottis is open and suddenly food is, when you are talking with someone, then windpipe is also open, and that's why food particle is some small bit, अगर small amount भी food particle आपकी windpipe में चला जाता है, it create the suffocation, क्योंकि breathing proper नहीं हो पाती. Is it clear everybody? तो जो कवरिंग है, जो आपकी फूड पाइप की कवरिंग है, दैट इज नोन एज द ग्लोटिस, एंड जो विंड पाइप को कवर करती है, दैट इज नोन एज द एपिग्लोटिस. इज इट क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? क्लियर बेटा जी? नेक्स्ट इज स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. कार्बोहाइड्रेट ब्रेक डाउन टू ग्लूकोज in small intestine. Protein break down into amino acid here. Digestion of food in the intestine. Carbohydrate break down into glucose in the small intestine. Lactate, most of 30% is digested in the mouth, and the left carbohydrate is digestion take place in the small intestine. Protein break down into amino acid, that is absorbed. Here food is converted into most simple form, which is absorbed by large intestine. It is converted into that form which is absorbable. Is it? And fatty acid break into the fatty acid to the glycerol, which is easily absorbable. Is it? Next is beta ji. Here, this is the villi present in the. This is the villus structure which is present in the large intestine, which help in absorption of food. It is the finger-like projections, that is known as villus. This is the finger-like projection which is present in the large intestine. Next is the enzyme present in the small intestine are. Which type of enzymes are present in the small intestine? That is the bile secreted from the liver. Bile is secreted from the liver, and the pancreatic juice secreted by the pancreas directly transfer into the small intestine. Trypsin digests the protein. Lipase break down the and emulsified the fat, and intestinal juice, that is all type of liquid which contain the different type of enzyme, directly placed into the pancreas, discharge their liquid through pancreatic duct into the small intestine, and the bile is moving from the gallbladder to the small intestine, and lipase is trypsin and lipase enzyme are present inside the pancreatic juice. Intestinal juice contain the salivary amylase also. Is it clear? And nuclease enzyme who digests the nucleic acid. Is it clear everybody? And stomach contain the enzyme. Just a minute. Which type of enzyme stomach contain? Stomach contain the gastric juice and contain the gastric gland who produce the stomach produce the pepsin, break down the protein into the simple peptide. HCl kill क्या करते हैं? Germs and the acidic pH which activate the pepsinogen. Sorry, mucus protect the stomach lining from the action of the HCl. Clear beta ji? This is your complete digestive system, and the digestion of food take place in the human alimentary canal. What is the length of the human alimentary canal? It is the near about 9 meter. It is the near about 9 meter, approximately 9 meter. This is the stomach, how it is work, and the how food movement is take place. Is it clear? Here the movement of food here. You see, here digestion take place. Digestion take place. After that देखिए food की movement. Is it clear everybody beta? Clear? Here is your stomach. This is the stomach is highly supplied with the blood vessels. Stomach and small intestine is highly supplied with the blood vessel, and large number of blood vessels is present in the large intestine. Large number of blood vessels are present in the large intestine because here absorption of the food take place. Because here absorption of the food take place. Is it clear? Here is your large intestine. What happened in the large intestine? Unabsorbed food reaches here, and the excess of water reabsorbed, and the rest of the unabsorbed food passes out through the anus. Is it clear, everybody? Here is your digestion of the food in the alimentary canal of human being completed. Is it clear, beta? Clear? Next is, just a minute. Next is beta dental formula. It is very important. Firstly, I am telling about you dental formula. It is about what is the dental formula. Just telling you. Dental formula for the adult is 2, 1, 2, 3. Again 2, 1, 2, 3. It is one of the half portion, yani 16 number of 2, 1, 3, 3 or 2, 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 8. 2, 1, 3, 3 or 2, 5, 5 or yani 18 plus 18, 16 हाफ पोर्शन के ये टीथ के बारे में बताया गया है. Here we dental formula is based on the half teeth upper and down jaws. ठीक है, इसी को डबलिंग कर देंगे तो ये कितने हो जाएंगे टोटल कितने 8 8 16 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 32. In the small kids, in the children, how many number of teeth are present? 2102. This is the dental formula of children. 20 number of teeth are present in the children. 20 number of teeth are present in the children. And the first two indicate first incisor, which is your central teeth. Is it clear? Upper and down. That is the incisor. And the number one canine, which is the, जैसे कहते हैं ना काटने और चीरने के लिए कोई चीज का यूज किया जाता है, जिसे हम किसी चीज को काटते हैं ऐसे कट करके, यानी बहुत फोर्सफुली उसको फाड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, उन टाइप के टीथ को हम कहते हैं कैनाइन टाइप ऑफ टीथ. एंड नेक्स्ट टू इज, दिस इज कैनाइन, दिस इज इंसीजर, दिस इज प्रीमोलर. आफ्टर द कैनाइन, जस्ट आफ्टर canine is premolar. 2 premolars are present, and जो हम कहते हैं झाड़ वाले टीथ लाइक डबल 4 की टाइप में बने होते हैं, लाइक दैट. जस्ट अ मिनट. जो हमारी जाम्स में इस टाइप के टीथ प्रेजेंट होते हैं बेटा, ऐसा सा स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं, 4 की टाइप में होते हैं. दैट इज द मोलर ग्राइंडिंग. इज इट क्लियर? Next is the tongue. Tongue is a muscular action. Form bowels and mixing of the food with the saliva. Tongue क्या करती है? Help करती है mixing of the food with the saliva. Saliva contain an enzyme. Saliva कौन सा enzyme contain करता है बेटा जी? Saliva contain the enzyme that is known as the salivary amylase, whose break down the starch into the food. Salivary amylase break down the food into the starch, into the simple sugar, maltose or simple sugar. I had already told you this. Is it clear? Next is moving forward. Food stomach has the some type of sphincters muscles are present in the stomach. Just a minute. Here in the stomach, some sphincter type of muscles is present, which produce the gastric juice. Which produce the gastric juice. Gastric gland in the stomach secrete. Sorry, यहाँ पे sphincter muscles help करती हैं opening and closing of stomach. Sorry, sphincter muscles open and close the stomach pathway, which allow the movement of the food. And here is the gastric glands are present in the stomach who produce the gastric juice. Who produce the gastric juice. And next is the absorption of nutrient. Absorption of nutrient occur in the small intestine because lots of villi are present, because almost all food is digested in the small intestine, and here finger-like projection is also present in the small intestine, and the surface area of the small intestine is increased due to the presence of large number of villi inside it. They don't the food get completely digested into the small intestine. Final step, large intestine, only absorption of water, on a little bit absorption of food is take place here. Otherwise, no digestion and no any type of enzymatic action take place in the large intestine. Work of the large intestine is the absorption of excess of water as well as absorption of excess of water as well as undigested food is throughout the body. Undigested food is throughout the body. Is it clear, everybody? This is your digestive system, beta ji. Here nutrition in the human being is completed, and it is very important topic, which here 5 marks question come in the CBSE board. Draw a valuable diagram of the human digestive system. Yeah, आपको आ जाएगा draw a valuable diagram and explain the digestive system in human being. Digestion, explain digestion in amoeba. This type of question come from this topic. Is it clear? Any doubt, any query regarding to this topic?